In this video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate a suspended x.com or Twitter account without going through a formal appeal first. This is a simple first-step tutorial, and in some cases, all you need is a direct login attempt and a quick email verification to regain access. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open your browser and go to x.com or Twitter. Make sure you're using the correct login page, and then try signing in with the username, email address, or phone number connected to the suspended account. In many cases, the account may look suspended, but the platform will still give you a chance to continue the recovery process when you attempt to log in directly. Enter your password as usual and click Sign In. If the account is eligible for reactivation, X may immediately prompt you with a verification step. This is where you need to stay patient and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. One of the most common steps is email verification. If that happens, X will send a code to the registered email address linked to your account. Open the inbox for that email address and look for the message from X or Twitter. If you don't see it right away, check the spam folder, promotions tab, or any other filtered folders in your email account. Sometimes the message can arrive within seconds, but other times it may take a little longer. Once you find the email, copy the verification code and return to the X login screen. Type the code exactly as shown, then confirm it. This step proves that you still have access to the email address on the account, and may allow the platform to reactivate access without needing to submit an appeal right away. If the code works, continue following any additional prompts that appear. In some situations, X may ask you to confirm your identity, review account status, or accept a final sign-in step before restoring access. Complete each prompt one by one and avoid refreshing the page unnecessarily, because that can interrupt the process. If the account is reactivated successfully, take a moment to check your profile, recent settings, and security options. It's a good idea to update your password if needed and make sure your email and phone number are current so you can avoid issues in the future. Now, if direct login does not work and X does not offer an email verification option, that usually means the account may need a different recovery path later. But before jumping to an appeal, always start with this direct login method first, because it is the fastest and simplest option when it is available. So, to recap, the process is: try logging in directly to the suspended account, check whether X asks for email verification, enter the code sent to your registered email, and complete any remaining prompts. That's the easiest first step to try if you want to reactivate a suspended x.com or Twitter account without appeal. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step tech videos, and I'll see you in the next one.